evening. What a pleasure it is to be with you tonight, and thank you, Alan, for the introduction. The 2019 Sierra AT4 is the most premium, off-road capable Sierra ever. It's designed for customers who want a bold presence on the road and the capability to venture off life's beaten path. Capitalizing on GMC's unique combination of bold design and precise craftsmanship, AT4 moves GMC into the currently unconquered space of premium off-road capable vehicles. Distinguished by a standard 2-inch suspension lift from the factory and an aggressive exterior design, Sierra AT4 presents an elevated take on off-road styling. An important part of any off-road adventure is the gear you take with you. Sierra AT4 excels in this area with industry-leading cargo capability, including best-in-class cargo box volume and the innovative multi-pro tailgate, which is standard on AT4. With this exclusive innovation, the task of loading motorcycles or quads has never been easier. You can see how simple it is to load a dirt bike up into the box with the multi-pro tailgate. We plan to roll out AT4 across the entire GMC product portfolio over the next 2 years. Every element across the AT4 line will be designed to deliver exactly what GMC customers are looking for: our unique formula of authentic capability, bold design, and precise craftsmanship, all tuned for a confident experience in any terrain.